The nation is one step closer to seeing parts of the affidavit that allowed the FBI to search former President Trump's Florida home.
The Department of Justice has been asked to file a redacted version of the document. Bradley Blackburn has the latest from New York.
Federal Magistrate Judge Bruce Reinhardt is giving the Justice Department 1 week to propose redactions to the affidavit, which led to the search of President Trump's residence in Mar-a-Lago.
Judge Reinhardt seemed to have a very good sense that it is his job as the gatekeeper in this case to perform his function of balancing the interest in the public of accessing these materials against the interest in the government in keeping them secret.
On Thursday, attorneys representing media organizations, including CBS News, asked the judge to make parts of the affidavit behind the search warrant public. The Justice Department pressed for it to be sealed, arguing that its release would undermine an investigation that's still in its early stages.
For the most part, we're not going to see the core of what we're all very interested in, none of which will be good news for former President Trump.
The development comes a little more than a week after the FBI seized classified and top secret information during the search. In other Trump legal woes, the former chief financial officer of the Trump Organization pleaded guilty to not paying taxes on $1.5 million in compensation.
Alan, any message for Donald Trump?
Alan Weisselberg could now be called to testify if a case against the Trump Organization goes to trial. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.
Back to the affidavit. The Justice Department argues making it public could expose the identities of witnesses and prevent others from coming forward and cooperating with the investigation. Trump has called for the release of the full, unredacted affidavit in the interest of transparency.